area. Yes, we do have significant weather coming into the region. Of course, that low pressure system impacting already into New Brunswick, into western parts of Nova Scotia. That's going to continue throughout the course of today. So we will have a full look at that weather forecast in our show. But as we take a look here, snow across the region, a high of 1 in Fredericton, 5 in Charlottetown, and a high of 9 in Halifax. Noon, especially in southern parts of New Brunswick. But for the most part, snow covering up in northern parts of New Brunswick. So like Amanda said, some school closures for today. And just give yourself that extra space as you are driving. We do have watches and warnings to tell you about. Of course, we have that snowfall warning in northern parts of New Brunswick, up in Labrador, as well as into Newfoundland. And we also have wind warnings in effect for Cape Breton Island, into eastern parts of Nova Scotia, into Kings County, PEI, and of course throughout Newfoundland as well. So taking a look here, we do see that little blue line, which is actually a storm surge warning. So with this system, we could see higher waves crashing along the shoreline, so something to consider. This is the area that's going to be impacted by those wind warnings. We could see winds gusting up to 130 kilometers per hour. So just take that into consideration. And then, of course, we do have that also over in parts of Newfoundland as well. So something to continue to watch as you head throughout your day. As we take a look here at current temperatures, though, we're seeing milder temperatures to start. And, of course, with this low pressure system, we're going to continue to see those milder temperatures. We do have wind chill in effect, though, especially up in the Labrador area. So things looking a little bit cooler up there as we head throughout our day. Watching this system, it's going to be significant throughout the course of today. So we do see it start to kind of clear out in that west portion of New Brunswick a little bit later this afternoon. It turns into mostly a wintry mix into Nova Scotia, as well as parts of Prince Edward Island and into Cape Breton Island. So we are going to continue to monitor this situation as it moves into Newfoundland and Labrador overnight. Looking at our snow outlook, significant snowfall, especially up in northern parts of New Brunswick. We're continuing to see that into Newfoundland and Labrador for the next 24 hours. And as we take a look here at that rain outlook, we are seeing that significant rainfall throughout Nova Scotia, as well as into parts of Newfoundland. So this is something that we'll continue to monitor throughout the course of this morning.